I'm Dr. Elisa Rustine, and I'm here today to talk about sneezing and when we need to worry about our cats and when they sneeze. And typically cats sneeze for the same reasons as we do. Their nose gets itchy or they smelled something irritating, but you could really do a lot to limit the irritants in your cat's nose by keeping your scented candles, your essential oil diffusers, things like cigarette smoke and harsh cleaning products away from your cat. And some of those things can actually be even a little more problematic than just irritating. Like some essential oils can be toxic, and cigarette smoke is linked to certain cancers in cats, just like people. So in reality, it's normal for cats to sneeze a few times a day, just like us. But if that sneezing becomes a little bit more frequent, or you see some other things going on, that could mean that something else is brewing. So if your cat's sneezing a lot, look out for any runny nose with a lot of discharge. Sometimes it can be yellow-green or even bloody. Open mouth breathing, or they're pawing at their face. Maybe they're not eating well, or they're coughing, really sleepy, or you smell some bad breath or discharge from their eyes as well. Anything else unusual can also go along with some sneezing. And if you see these signs, it's time for you to get your cat into the vet. And this could be nothing, but it could mean that maybe there's something stuck in your cat's nose, or maybe they have some allergies. In young cats, they can have things like polyps blocking that nose. They can have some bad teeth, but most commonly it's an upper respiratory infection. And any one of these conditions, your vet will help you work through diagnosis and treatment. But most of the time, the only thing you need to do if your cat sneezes is just say, "Bless you."